o'clock, Bex. Where's everybody at?
I don't know. Where are our friends?
I'm gonna go ahead and intro this vlog now. Laura went to go do a Starbucks run. We got our little setup over here. Got some t-shirts, some posters and stuff like that. But unfortunately, we had a little bit of rain. What's up? Yeah, this is Wes. You gotta check out him. Vlogs by Wes, right?
Vlogs by Wes, yep.
Yep. So you got a different GoPro now.
Oh yeah, the other one took a crap. I don't know what happened to it, so this is what a couple other people are using.
What? Did you get that?
I think so. What was in that water bottle?
You just like ran into the post.
Like straight up walked right into it.
I hope you got that.
So this is what a couple other people are using.
What? Did you
What
get
was
that?
in there? I think so. What was what? I might have got
And
that.
then I like wasn't paying attention to the pool, or I was in the pool. I'm gonna have a bruise here tomorrow.
Mark came through, we got the Starbucks. Now we can start our day officially. Mark showed up. I thought he wasn't going to. Look, he changed his wheels. You guys probably already saw the video. If you haven't seen that video, check it out where we can go and go for a joyride in Mark's car. It's your vlog camera, Mark. She's giving the McLaren guy a Shelby umbrella.
You gotta say number one. Dude, that looks good.
You've seen it before, right? Because Mark, you do wraps as well, right? Well, you do the clear bra, right?
Yeah, we were gonna do it, but you know what? Just call this guy. I don't know, like move up to where we are. Open up a shop where we are.
Mark is going through and inspecting this wrap.
Better than, I'm not gonna name the company, but better than the one next to us. Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Sorry, we're just being really anal.
Yeah. That's all right. And this is why you bring your house with you to car show. We're gonna go inside and order some food. RX-7, that's thunder. No, I like that shirt, man.
Hey, you know what? That's some dude that's got a YouTube channel around here. Somewhere gave it to me.
Look at these guys. What's this FS stuff? I see it on the back of all you guys' shirts. What is up with that? How's the food, Mark?
I love it, man.
It's you, man, dropping shit all over the floor. Can I take you guys' order? All right. I'm gonna spit in yours. You want fish tacos?
Jenny,
Yeah.
why are you giving the waitress your number?
I like to give all the women my number. Ruben. Had to. This thing looks so good.
It's not loud enough.
It's not loud enough.
My hearing aid will cut out at 150 decibels.
Oh, your hearing aid will cut out? Why can you not drive a Mustang?
Because I can't reach the clutch. I'm only 5 foot tall.
He's lying. It's 410. But keep going.
I'm 5 foot.
All right. I'm actually 5'7", 410.
No, 5 foot. I'm gonna bite you on that one.
It's been a while since I popped the hood, so some of you guys that are new to the channel, there it is. Now this is the ultimate setup. It's like a mobile garage. This is Steve King's trailer, and this thing's got way more tools than most people have in their home garage. That's crazy. This is Steve right here, the man himself, his race car. And he was just telling me he's got everything on this trailer to rebuild the engine. Yeah, every track.
Yep, run at this level, you gotta have spares.
That right there, that's goals. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
I'm so surprised on how this turnout has been with this weather. Getting shots of the camper.
Well, no, I was getting shots of the raindrops, and I was trying to get like different rain thingies, so then that way you can like insert a B-roll.
Hondas, I mean everything. Like look at this Civic. This is actually pretty slick. It's got skinny rears, big fatties on the front. Yeah, that thing's probably pretty quick. What's up, dudes? Say what's up to the vlog, eh? You want to show them your new interior?
Sure.
What'd you do to it?
It's just carbon fiber skin, like a lot of the dashboard pieces.
Okay, is it true carbon or
Real carbon.
real carbon? Let's check this out. Oh, nice. And it's got like a red tent.
Yeah, it's got a red in it.
And it's on your doors too. I saw the front fender. I'm gonna clickbait my video with your car. What not to do with airlift suspension.
That'd be fine with me.
Yeah, so this video is gonna be clickbaited by him. What not to do with airlift suspension. But I do have to say you played it off well with the sticker.
And my girl got me that sticker.
Your girl got you that sticker? That's awesome. Was it her boobs that distracted you?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell them what happened. Were you just driving? Or?
So I went to a car show, left it down. There's a mode where if you start the car, it raises automatically. I had it off, and I forgot. And I was at my daughter's track meet, went to pull out, and I heard it hit, and I'm like, ah. So, and I was sick all night.
Where's he at?
Oh, there he is.
Hi,
Dude, everybody's gonna give me so much shit. It's like, stop picking on Nico.
Oh yeah. No, I'm used to it.
So
Yeah.
what do you usually tell the ladies?
My last ex I dated for about 3 years, and granted I picked her up at a bar, and I literally just walked up to her, you know.
Or did she pick you
Wait
up?
a second, I was gonna say, you picked her up or she picked
Okay,
you up?
you want
Hold
to
on.
know the real story? Okay, the real story was I was actually there trying to help my buddy pick up a girl. And I'm sitting on the bar stool, and you can imagine me sitting on a bar stool, my feet don't touch the ground, my feet are swinging at the bar, on the bar stool, and next to me, and looks down at me, starts laughing.
Hold on, back up. She looks down at you?
She looked down at me, because she's standing up, I'm sitting on the bar stool, so I'm sort of.
Okay.
So, until at that point, I just looked over to wait for her to stop laughing. Like, you ever been with a lowrider?
What did you tell her?
You ever been with a lowrider before? We know how to swing it.
Oh shit.
No.
And it was a wrap after that, right?
Oh yeah, we dated for about 3 years, and then the only reason we broke up was because I moved up here for a job.
Oh, I thought he was gonna say the only reason why they broke up because they weren't seeing eye to eye.
Okay, come here.
So what's this? Are we giving Greg a shout out?
I guess so.
All right, we'll give him a shout out. We found another Mustang guy at the meet. That's always a good time. So he's got, tell us what it is. I see that you've got a set of Weld RTS's bead lines.
Yep, it's a 2014 GTCS, still 6-speed car, MT82. It's on a Vortec V3, bunch of suspension stuff.
How much power?
It made 640.
640? That's nasty.
There's a smile. Hi. Laura found this truck and she's obsessed with it. And I got her to model with it. Insert clip here. Anyway, we found it again. It came to this show. And let's see if we can get Laura to model with it again.
I don't know. Get the bumper sticker.
Don't come and knocking. You guys need that for the RV.
Yeah.
Whoa, Laura, take a look.
Where did you guys get this?
Really? They're wondering where you got this from. West Virginia.
West Virginia. Say hi to the vlog. Next vlog, West Virginia.
So what do you think of what he's about to do?
I think that ring is what's gonna do her over.
You want to show us what you're about to do? He's about to propose to Bex with a ring pop.
We'll see how this goes.
He's gonna tell her he wants a selfie. Hey Bex, she's gonna grab. Really? Hey, he wants to get a selfie.
Oh, with the crew?
No, just a selfie for his Instagram, if that's cool.
Get down on my level.
Get down on my level. All right.
Oh, no.
Hey. He's got a ring pop for you.
It's a ring pop.
It's a ring pop.
Literally, I can't handle this.
Come on, you gotta wear that.
You gotta let him put the ring pop on. Come on, back on your knees.
Back
Here.
I swear this is awesome. Yes.
That's awesome.
I didn't know what flavor you liked. I was gonna ask.
And don't pawn it.
I'm gonna eat it and then I'll keep this ring forever.
Oh, she's off the market, Joyriders.
Halfway.
He said halfway? That's messed up. So this is probably one of the coolest things ever. Actually had Johnny or did they reach out to you or did?
It was a contest they did, a program called Your Car's the Star. And they did it where you submit a photo, and if they had a diecast of your car, their team would select who they wanted to do the diecast of by your picture you sent in. And I was picked by a couple thousand people, I guess.
Oh wow,
that sent in photos of a lot of different cars, and they made one of mine. So
that's the goal.
Got lucky and got picked.
Yeah, I would say, man, that's the goal. That's what I want to do one day. Get my car in a package like this. Here it is.
Raindrops and all. Yeah.
And I'm gonna have you sign it. He actually brought this car here for me today and gave it to me, which I really appreciate that. But look, they even put your name on there, Tim. That's cool. Damn, look how professional that autograph looks. I mean, look at that. Look at this. That's badass. That's really cool. Thanks for the car, man. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Hey, thanks for coming today.
Oh, thanks for the invite.
hey, the rain guys, but we'll try to get together.
The turnout still, for having a rainy day, I'm still impressed on how many people stuck around and everything. It's awesome.
Yeah, we were glad a lot of people was able to still hang out and weather through what we had.
Right. So are we going to do this again?
We'll definitely do it again. Keep everybody posted.
For sure.
On a date and time, and we'll try to get another get together for the end of the year just to maybe make up for today.
Yeah, we're going to also do it in the same location. Guys, stay tuned. We'll let you know when the next one is. You know something, Wes? I think my dad probably has this car. I bet you he does.
He probably does, yeah.
He collected every single AMX model car, anything that came out that had AMX. Yeah, because he actually had a 68 AMX. He had a 390 big block with a 4-speed. It was body styled just like this, red, everything. Chad's gonna launch the old 55 when he pulls out, so let's see what this has got. Babe, you have to check this out. This is like one of the coolest things ever. He converted his bus into like an RV. Coolest part is, it has a shower with a shitter inside of the shower. Look at that, he's got the TV mounted up there.
It also goes out here on the side.
That's awesome. What? He's got mounts on the outside. Here's the driver's seat. It's got a CB radio, chair and table right there.
The futon.
It's got a kitchen. Look at that.
And it's on-demand hot water heater here.
Oh, that's like what we have in our house.
This, you put like little cabinets up here. Fridge.
Marketplace find.
Yeah, Facebook Market.
Oh yeah.
You did all this yourself?
Yeah. Don't recommend it. Well, that's nice.
Don't recommend it.
Don't recommend.
Just wait for it. This is the coolest thing. It has a shower, but not only does it have a shower, you can shower and shit at the same time.
Magic bus.
That's impressive. So you can be taking a shower, soaping and pooping at the same time, and going down the road.
Here, we'll get a plug for G-spot sensors.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
what I make shock travel
Oh
sensors.
yeah, tell them what you do.
These are shock travel sensors for your race car or any other car. They measure the shock and how it's moving during the launch, and tells you more about what the suspension is doing, because if you don't know what your suspension is doing, you can't fix it. So I've making these probably 5 years now.
Check them out.
Right there.
That right there is goals. If this YouTube thing ever takes off, I'm just right now just enjoying it and just going with the flow. But that right there, future goals. Damn, RV models.
Yeah,
Right there. You guys heading over to the house? Yeah. All right, perfect.
Who's driving what?
I think I'm gonna have Laura drive the Mustang. Babe, we're gonna wrap this video up. There you go.
Whoa.
Be careful, don't do anything crazy. The roads are wet. So we will have to give you guys a proper video of her driving the car and doing some stuff when it's dry out and better situations.
Me and Amanda drove Les's car though.
Yeah, check that video out. They took Les's car out for a joyride. So Laura and Amanda are gonna drive the Mustang home. Don't do anything, Laura. The roads are wet. Okay? So the two girls are gonna take the car home. You guys enjoyed it, and those of you guys that did come out, even though this weather wasn't the greatest, thank you. And I wanna thank the 540 Winchester Cruisers for inviting us. Big shout out to you guys. And we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already.
Buy some merch.
You want to give them anything there?
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell. All right. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Little girl on girl action right here.
What's up? That thing is like serious.
I know.
We're riding in JD's car this time. Hopefully we can do some damage. Do you have coffee at your house?
Yes, I just have to get the Keurig out of the RV.
Right.
Crap.
What?
JD's got these race seats and I can't reach the pedal unless I sit like way forward. They don't move. You can't scoot them up.
Oh, you can't?
No.
They're not adjustable?
So I have to like.
All right, so Laura's gonna be driving like an old lady, real close to the